How to make no one can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down till you find settings and then profile information. Now all you need to do is just click on your high school list pin here and click share, and here you will find only make selected and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.